I hope that people listen to the podcast and engage, and that more companies will join women, help to kind of give women a voice and support the growth of women in manufacturing. Because we, every time we have this podcast and talk to manufacturers, clients, and others, workforce is what everybody's talking about. And, women make up just over 50% of the population. We need to make sure that we're giving them a voice and helping them to feel like manufacturing is a place for them, that it's a place that they can be successful, and that there's women leaders. Because I think in every industry, and, I'm in IT primarily, and we have that same struggle. It's hard to find women because not a lot of women have gone into IT. And I think it's sort of a self-reinforcing cycle. Women, just like we talked about, you look at a career opportunity, if you don't see someone like you doing it, it seems like a lot less likely for you to get into it. So it's so important to put women, I think, in manufacturing up front and center, so that young girls and women in college and maybe women in other careers that are thinking, is manufacturing the right thing, see role models like you and other women leaders related to and directly in manufacturing that will consider that a career.
I think it's the only way to get people engaged. I mean, it's just amazing when you can see and help and uplift other women to do something that they might not have done because they were afraid to do so because they didn't know enough about it.